Right now, we're seeing a sentiment score of minus 0.05, paired with a robust momentum of plus 0.68. That's an unusual combination. Typically, we expect positive sentiment to accompany strong momentum. This divergence, especially amid 18 semantic clusters, hints at underlying tensions that could drive market behavior. When you query our World Sentiment API, you receive a comprehensive snapshot of sentiment dynamics, revealing not just the surface score, but also the momentum and thematic clusters at play. Imagine leveraging this insight for your trading strategy, identifying opportunities where momentum is rising, but sentiment is lagging. It could signal a short-term price correction, or a shift in sentiment that you can capitalize on. For more details, dive into our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.